tutorials. So today we are going to see some elevation texturing or patching in our Revit software. So we'll open our Revit architecture, go to your new architectural browser, right? Or the templates which you are using, right? So you can use the architectural template, right? So we have opened our architecture template, right? So now we will go to our south elevation. So we will change our units, click on UN, length units, go to feet and fractional inches, OK and OK. So here we can see the change in our levels, right? So I'm going to select these levels, right? So for elevations, these levels are the main parts for our building, right? So they are the source for our building. So I'm placing it like that only. So I'm taking another level, okay? From here we are going to take up to here. So I'm going to take it as 20 feet, right? So now we will go to our level 1, right? So this is our level 1. So I will draw a basic drawing. I will take a floor over here. So we're going to take this floor, go to edit. So here we have the generic concrete, so like this. So I'm taking this one, concrete domestic. So I'm taking this rectangle and I'm drawing over like this. So after that, go to this modify, select over here, and here we're gonna take as this as 60 feet. So and this also 60 feet, right? I'm taking of 60 by 60. So right now you can click to OK. So our element is created, right? So like that we have drawn our floor. So you can see our floor, go to realistic. So we can see our floor, right? So now I have taken floor means, so I'm not drawing any walls or any interior walls over here. So directly we are going up to our what? Our elevations, right? So for that I am going to take my wall over here. So I'm taking the 200. So I'm taking the, as and if you take the field, it is also I'm taking 200 mm field. So here I'm to take edit. So it is off. I'm taking it off 5 inches, right? So here we have different types. OK. So now we are done with this, right? So here unconnected height is up to, you can take up to, firstly I'm taking, or else you can take up to level 2 or level 3. So however you want we can. So here I am taking the finish core exterior, right? So I am selecting this point, and if it is coming this side you have to press the space bar so that it will occur like this, right? So I am taking this at 30. So now I am selecting this wall. So it is top constant up to, I am taking level 3. So it has applied. If I go to here, so here you can see, so here you can see with edges, right? I have taken this style, right? So after that I want to add walls from my second level, right? So now we will go to our second level, again take the wall, So I'm taking the same wall, right, but I am drawing from here to the space over here and again over like this of 20 feet. We go to 3D. Now we can see, right. So we go to level 2 and we will add the floor, right. So we're going to select this big lines. So I'm going to select these lines. So right, click on OK. So it will create a floor over here, right. So like this our floor has created. You can see over here, right, like this, right. So you can move over this side, right. The wall has connected. So you can increase the wall thickness, right. So I'm taking this wall height, so it is up to level 3, right. So we will go to the south. Here you can see. Now we will add another level. So here we are going to take this as 26 feet, right. It's my total height of it. So now again I'm going to 3D. I'm selecting my wall. So here up to level 4. So it has done, and again this walls also I'm going up to my level 4, right. And here these two level 4. So we have created our walls, right. So now we need to add some openings for this. So for that we can go to here wall openings, right. So I'm going to select this wall. So I'm going to add a glass opening over here, right. So we have done this. So now I want to add a curtain grid for this. Add millenniums or select this, so it will automatically select it, right. So now we will again go to our walls, go to our curtain walls, right. So or else we will select the big lines. So we have selected this, right. So after that, now if you go to here and select the curtain grid, so we can add the curtain grid over here like this, right. So then if you go to mullions, you can add the mullions, right, for all grid lines. So we have created a 2, right, creating the all structure. So the grid lines has created, right. So now we will select this one and this one. We will join that. It will become one frame, right, no problem. So afterwards I want to make the walls also open over here, right. So again go to walls, select this wall, and I want, after opening also we can edit, right. So after opening the walls also we can edit the walls, right. So again I'm selecting this wall, Can escape, again go to wall, select this wall. So I'm going to create an opening like this, and again a wall opening like this over here. So and again, so like this we are opening it, right? So we have opened like this. So now we can add the glasses, or we can add the curtain grids, right? So if we go to walls, you can also add curtain walls or toward front walls, so we can take the lines. So if you see here, so this is stack walls, right? So we don't need that. So now we will make one wall weepings, right? So we will do the wall sweep and wall reveal, right? So here we have this type of, if you go to edit, so here we have this much. So what will be materials and everything you can do over here, right? So I'm going for this over here. So like this you can do, right? If you go to here, wall sweep, and also do verticals, right? So now again go to, so it's not reveal, so go to wall sweep, again select over here. So we are done like this. So now here we'll add the same wall sweeps over here. So go to wall sweep, so now again go to wall sweep, so we are keeping like that on the right. So now we need some wall sweeps over it. So go to wall sweep, so go to type, so here we can add, so I want to wall reveal, right? So I want to make the reveals here, right? So I can make a reveal like this over here. So then go to reveal, right? So we can reveal the walls like this. So again go to wall sweep and go to the reveal like this. We can open over here, right? If we go to another place, so then we can add some, like we can add the roof by extrusion, right? So it's select us to pick a plane. So we are selecting this as our plane. So it is for level 3 and OK. So now I'm going to go to level 3. So you can add the length over here, right? So we go to level 4. So in level 4 we will have only this, right? Now go to group by extrusion. So we're going to pick this plane and south and view before. Okay. So now we need to draw this one, and we are going to connect this one as like this. Okay. So we are going to connect like this, and we will add some fillet over here. So right. So now if you go to our 3D, so now here we can see, so this is our roof, right? So we can add this type of roof over here, right? So if we go to our fourth level, third level, we have this, right? So we can make the copy paste over like this, right? Select this and copy, right? Select this one over here, and again copy, select this one over here, right? Go to 3D. So here we can see our building over like this, right? You can add a window over here, right? So we're gonna make with windows only, we're going to make some new type of design, right? So like this, we can go to edit type and go to load one. Okay. So now we can go over here. So but see, we will place over here, right? So we will make some new design with our windows, right? So in this type of design we have made, right? So we can add some ceilings, or we can make some curtain grids over this, right? We'll create the millions. Now we can change this material also. Go to edit. So here we have the material. We can change it, right? We'll change it to stone. Stone 2. And OK. Apply and OK. So if you go to realistic, so the stones have changed, right? So from here we can see the stones over here. So if you see like this, we can draw our elevations and everything we can model in our Revit software. Thank you.